Fulfilling the promise of the smart home with Dialog's DA16200. Your food cooked, cleaning done, groceries shopped. As you relax and voice command your curtains and music. It should be as simple as connecting your Wi-Fi, but today's smart home falls short of that promise. By using a hodgepodge of protocols like Zigbee and Z-wave that aren't always compatible with themselves, and require the user to purchase a smart hub just to get these devices to work with your Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Setting up your smart home just doesn't feel very smart. At Dialog Semiconductor, we have a solution. The DA16200 Wi-Fi platform. By delivering a dramatic breakthrough in battery life and keeping the simplicity, compatibility, and ubiquity of the Wi-Fi standard, the DA16200 Wi-Fi platform is the lowest power solution for battery-powered IoT while connecting directly to Wi-Fi. When not actively transmitting or receiving data, the DA16200 shuts down every non-active microelement to achieve near zero level of power consumption. Being the lowest power Wi-Fi can result in battery life of 1 year or longer, even on always connected IoT devices. And the simplicity of this connectivity means that all your smart home devices easily work together. Wi-Fi is the future of the smart home. Dialog is enabling this future with its ultra-low power Wi-Fi platforms.